Hey guys, it's Kendra. So welcome back to our channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my summer pamper routine. I haven't done one in quite a while, so I wanted to share some of the products that I've been loving this summer and my pamper routine. So if you guys are interested, then just keep on watching. So first things first, I always have to light every candle in my bathroom, and the one that I love is the Nest Wild Mint and Eucalyptus candle. I love this one. It smells like a spa, really calming and relaxing. So I'm gonna light those, and then I'm gonna play my music, of course, like I always do, and I just turn on my turn down playlist on shuffle. So I'm gonna hop in the shower, and the first thing that I start out with is my hair, just because I don't want like all the products getting on like my body and then having to like go and wash my body all over again. So doing my hair first makes the most sense. So I'm gonna give it a quick rinse with warm water. And I'm gonna go ahead and start with shampoo. And the shampoo that I'm gonna be using is from the Aveda Nutriplenish line. This is the Deep Moisture shampoo. I love the shampoo. It's really moisturizing and hydrating, but it does a really good job at cleaning my hair and making my scalp feel nice and refreshed. And these Aveda products have like a spa-like smell, so they're perfect for my pamper routine. So I'm gonna just shampoo my hair once and rinse that, and then I'm gonna follow that up with the matching conditioner. And even though this conditioner is like the matching conditioner to the shampoo, this feels very much like a hair mask. It's very thick and very rich, so it's very good for my hair type, of course, because my hair gets really dry. For this step, I'm not going to section my hair. I'm just going to finger rake the conditioner through and then just rinse that out, because I'm going to follow this up with my hair mask step. So the hair mask that I've been loving is the Aveda Nutriplenish Treatment Mask. This is the Deep Moisture one. And I love this mask, especially because it does a really good job at hydrating my hair. It feels super moisturized when I rinse it out the next day. I am going to be leaving this in overnight. So I'm going to be giving my hair like a nice, really deep treatment. So I am going to be sectioning this from the bottom to the top. And you guys have seen me section my hair and apply deep conditioner a million times, so this is a little redundant, but I just wanted to share with you guys how I do it on my pamper routine days as well. So after I'm done applying that to my hair evenly on the other side as well, I'm going to put my hair up in a high loose bun with a silk scrunchie, and like I said, I will be leaving this in overnight. So I'm going to put a plastic cap over top of that and use a microfiber like turby twist towel thingy. I think that's what you call that. And I'm going to put that over top just because it's more comfortable to sleep in with, rather than just the plastic cap. Next, I'm going to move on to my body care routine, and I'm going to be starting with the CeraVe Renewing Essay Cleanser. This is a face cleanser, but I like using this for my body as my first step because it has salicylic acid in it, and it does really well on my skin, and it does a great job at unclogging the pores, getting rid of extra sweat, dirt, oil, all that. And I just think it's like a perfect first step when you wash your body. I do this on regular days too, not just my pamper routine days, so I love this as my first step to wash my body. Second, I'm going to be applying my First Aid Beauty KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub. And this is my Holy Grail body scrub. I don't use anything else because I have very sensitive skin on my body just as well as my face. And this is amazing. It has really fine beads, it's not too abrasive, and it doesn't irritate my skin, and my skin just feels super soft afterward. I love this body scrub, will forever use. I'm done exfoliating my body, I'm going to move on to shaving. I've been loving the Aveeno Positively Smooth Shaving Cream. This works really well on my skin. Even though it says lightly scented, it doesn't really have a smell to me. So if you guys like fragrance-free products like me, this one is still okay to use. Makes my legs feel super smooth. And I just love Aveeno shaving creams in general. So I really enjoy this one a lot. And I did shave my underarms. I just didn't get it on camera. I actually shave my underarms like every 3 days. And I shave my legs about once or twice a week. After I'm done shaving, I'm going to go in with one more body wash, and I like to go in with a moisturizing body wash, and I love this Olay Ultra Moisture Shea Butter body wash. Smells wonderful. This one doesn't irritate my skin like a lot of fragrance body washes do, and I just go over my arms and legs with that. I don't put this one on my chest. And of course I do my feet, get a good scrub on my feet because you don't want to skip that, obviously. And last but not least, I do wash my downstairs area, and I use the Honey Pot Sensitive, so I do use that. So after I'm done with my shower, I'm going to start my bath, and I like to start with these Ancient Minerals Magnesium Bath Flakes. Y'all, these are a game changer. I've tried many like bath salts and bath flakes, but these in particular with the magnesium, I used 3 scoops, and I promise you, I feel like I had like 2 glasses of wine after my bath. They're amazing. And I like to add my bubble bath on top of those. And this bubble bath I've been using for years. This is the Alpine Goat Milk Foaming Milk Bath. I love this. This one keeps my skin really soft even after the bath, and it doesn't irritate my skin like a lot of bubble baths do. So this one is a must for me. So while my bath water is still running, I'm going to go to the kitchen and get myself some ice water because ice water is very essential in a hot bath, and I like my baths really hot. And I like to use my Hydro Flask just because it keeps the water really cold. And I'm also going to make myself a snack. I always like to have some kind of fruit in the bath with me just because fruit is a healthier option. It's really hydrating. Here I'm just getting some cherries and some peaches. And the peaches that I have here are called donut peaches. Actually, they're so cute. They're just in the shape of donuts, but I love peaches. It's actually my favorite fruit. So I'm going to take my fruit to the bathroom and start my bath. Turn the lights off, only have the candles on. I'm telling y'all, it's a vibe. This is my happy place. So usually I like to just eat my fruit, of course, listen to my music, and sometimes I will watch a movie. This time I decided to watch Ocean's 8. I've actually watched Ocean's 8 quite a few times during my bath time. It's one of my favorite bath time movies. Don't know why. So I'm just gonna enjoy my bath for like an hour and a half and just relax, meditate, and enjoy. So after I get out of my bath, I move straight to skincare, and my first step is always a cleansing balm. I'm a double cleanser when I wash my face, and I love the Inkyless Oat Cleansing Balm. It's the only one that I've used for like the past year, and I like to let it like foam up and get milky when I add water to it, so that's how I like to use it. And for my second cleanse, I'm going to be using the Skinbetter Oxygen Infusion Face Wash. I love this face wash. I'm typically not a fan of foaming cleansers, but this one is incredible. And I love this brand Skinbetter anyway. I've been obsessed with it. I love almost all of their products, and this cleanser is my favorite nighttime cleanser. So I'm just going to cleanse my face. So after I'm done washing my face, I'm going to move on to the Skinbetter Alpharet Exfoliating Peel Pads. I use these only on the weekends just because I don't think they're good to use every day because they have like exfoliating acids in them, like chemical exfoliators. So I only use these about 2 times a week. So this is pretty much my skincare routine on the weekends that you guys are seeing. So I do this only on the weekends, and these work really well at getting rid of extra dead skin, and it evens out my skin tone, and it's just very essential for like my weekly skincare. So I love these. And I always put my skincare on my neck and chest as well, just to make sure everything is like an even, unit. And I'm just going to fan my skin a little bit with that because these peel pads do tingle just a little. And I'm going to apply some eye cream. This is the Interfuse eye cream from Skinbetter, of course. Y'all, I love this brand. It's just done amazing things for my skin. And lastly, I'm going to apply my favorite moisturizer, which is the Trio Rebalancing Moisture Treatment. This is like a really nice lotion moisturizer. I use a lot of moisturizer, I'm not gonna lie, but it's my favorite step in my skincare routine. Even though it's a lotion, it has a very like nourishing like feel to it once you apply it to the skin, and my skin just loves this stuff. So I'm gonna apply that to my face, neck, and chest, of course. And last, for my skincare routine, I'm going to apply something to my lips, and I'm going to use my favorite lip balm, which is the Leno Lips lip balm. And this one is the peach one. I switch up the flavors. I'm just using the peach one currently. So after skincare, I'm going to move on to moisturizing my body. And during my pamper routines, I like to use like a more luxurious body butter. So I'm going to be going in with the Josie Maran Vanilla Apricot body butter, whipped body butter. This smells incredible, doesn't irritate my skin. It has like a clean, like vanilla peach smell. The vanilla scent is lighter. You smell most of the apricot scent, but it's a really nice like summer fresh smell. So I love this body butter. And I'm going to top that off with the Biossance Squalane body oil. I love this body oil. It's really lightweight, doesn't feel sticky, and it absorbs like into the skin really quickly. So I love squalane oil in general, but the Biossance one is my favorite. Also, I usually moisturize my body before I put on my pajamas. I just, of course, did not want to be naked on camera. So after I'm done applying my body oil, I'm going to apply a body spray, and this one is from Sol de Janeiro. This is the Brazilian Crush one. And I'm going to top that off with a perfume, and I'm going to use the Lotus Pear from Seven Virtues. Has a really fruity floral smell. And silk pajamas are a must to top off my pamper routine. These are from Victoria's Secret. They have so many sets, and these are just the ones I decided to wear today. So that wraps up my pamper routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you guys so much for watching.